One of the hottest topics in the market nowadays are that jobs are not available, companies are cutting jobs, but I beg to differ slightly. Traditional jobs within companies are moving into newer roles and newer areas of expertise. One very interesting role that I saw was a CAIO, Chief Artificial Intelligence Officer. Many companies are looking to hire CAIOs with the right capabilities, obviously, because they foresee AI pervading every part of their companies. Little bit of trivia, apparently CAIOs are looking at commanding salaries in excess of $1 million, which is awesome. And I'm going to see what kind of qualifications they have and see if I can do that as well. The other very interesting thing is green collar jobs. With the focus globally on green energy, sustainability, green collar jobs in India by 2030 are expected to grow by 3.5 million. Because the government has a huge target of electricity generation from the green energy space. This will need new areas of expertise. You will need people who can work on the windmill, on the solar panel, on the grid. You will need managers to manage them. You will need people to run strategy. You will need people to build the tech. So completely different layer altogether on top of what your company already has. Some of these new initiatives come, however, at the expense of traditional people. Do I really need 50 salespeople when I just need 25 because AI is going to help me do the rest? And let's move a part of that headcount under the CAIO. Goes back to a point I made many months ago on reskilling ourselves. So something to really think about and ponder over.